Hello children. Children from a Valley Education book, chapter 17. Let us discuss about this chapter, polluting the air. Pollute means to make something bad. If we throw garbage in water, we pollute it. Pollution may include muddy landscapes, poison soils, water waves, or killing plants and animals. Humans are regularly harmed by pollution, and they are totally responsible for making the natural resources polluted. So, you have to be fair and don't pollute the air. Children, don't let our future go up in smoke. Means we all need to breathe air to get oxygen for the body. If a person does not get oxygen for 5 minutes also, he will die. So if we pollute air with smoke, we will get less oxygen and we will fall sick. So you have to make a promise to save the environment. Air pollution is a type of environmental pollution that affects the air and is usually caused by smoke and other harmful gases. So, air pollution is the combination of air which has very bad effects. You have to make a promise to save our Mother Earth. Pollution is a silent killer. The respiratory effects, chronic diseases which includes asthma, lung cancer, all these are due to air pollution. Air that we breathe is a combination of oxygen, carbon dioxide and nitrogen. Roughly speaking, smoke is carbon dioxide. So, how do you feel when you breathe smoke inside? You feel sick immediately. Thus, if the quantity of carbon dioxide becomes more, the air gets polluted. We all become sick then. We cannot breathe properly. Then only people get lung diseases. What are the things that inject carbon dioxide into the atmosphere? Look around your city. Look at the skyline. You can see hundreds of factories belching smoke. If you live in a big town, stand at a crossing and watch the vehicles like scooters, motorcycles, cars, buses, trucks, tractors and other kinds of vehicles. They spit out smoke continuously. All that smoke goes into the atmosphere. So, even if you're living in a village or a small town, you can see smoke coming out of chulhas that burn wood or coal. Almost from every house, thousands of chulhas in the same places pollute the atmosphere. Pollution is also caused by burning waste. Some of the cleaners do not want to carry the garbage. They collect it at one place and set it on fire. All the energy is wasted and smoke pollutes the atmosphere. You can see in many cities nowadays, smog, fog like smoke is there. It looks like fog, but in reality it is smoke. So children, what is your duty then? You have to spread the message, to plant more and more trees and get oxygen, clean up the air. You will breathe healthy and you'll be healthy. Smoke from cars is like a cigarette to the earth. And it is not a joke. Air pollution really will make us choke. So planting more and more trees, cutting down the trees, what will happen? Cutting down your supply of the oxygen. It's now your duty to make everybody aware to stop pollution. If your home is using a chulha, we have to ask our parents to get a gas stove and a solar cooker. They are economical too. Do not allow the cleaners to burn garbage. The most important thing that you can do is to tell your neighbors and friends about the pollution and its causes. Controlling pollution means you are saving mankind. And you have to be a part of solution, not the part of the pollution. You have to find the solution, the best solution for stopping this pollution. You have to make a promise. Already I told you to save your mother earth, love your environment and be proud of it. Thank you, children. Be healthy, be safe and save the mankind. Thank you.